Hi sir, so I'm going to make this video to explain to you how to use trend screener indicator for intraday trading. Okay, so basically the indicator provide us screeners. Here we can monitor all the market trend and it's doing classification. Okay, for the trend from the strong downtrend and the strong uptrend. The downtrend here it's uptrend, and here basically the indicator is used for confirmation. Okay, so when the trader make his analysis, so to confirm his analysis and to confirm his position, he go through the trend screener to confirm his order position. Okay, so for let's take as an example OTCHF. Okay, so OTCHF is classified as strong downtrend, and you can see clearly here that there is very strong downtrend. Okay, and the indicator is providing dot. The dot, as you can see, the dot, those are here. It say that those here we have strong downtrend area. Then those are there is a weak downtrend or potential of trend reversal. Here trend continuation, and here also it's consolidation phase or here there is potential of trend reversal. And here with the red dots here we can see also the trend continuation and the strong downtrend continuation. Okay, so the dot here it can be used for re-entries with the trend. Okay, in case that you are looking for re-entry trend, the dot it can be used for re-entry. This the red dot and the green dot. The green dot indicate that there is a potential uptrend, as you can see from here to here, and the arrow indicates the beginning of trend. Okay, it can be strong downtrend or weak downtrend. Okay, here also there is the reversal dot. As you can see, there is here an up arrow begin of uptrend. So the trader here he should avoid making any sell position because here he is going to trade against the trend. Okay, so when there is a yellow dot that appear like that, the yellow dot here and it indicate that the uptrend become weak uptrend, and there is potential of trend change. As you can see from the red dot, we catch it very nice trend as downtrend here. Okay, let's check together OTCAT. OTCAT as an example, also it have it's classified as still a strong uptrend, and you can see there is a begin of uptrend, but the uptrend is very weak because it's coming after a strong downtrend movement. Okay, like this and this trend is correction from the downtrend. The downtrend, okay, you see, and then correction. Okay, it's correction and then continuation of downtrend, and you have still correction. Okay, so this trend it's weak, and even we can see that there is many dot here, many dot, yellow dot. The yellow dot here indicate that this trend is weak. Okay, and you can here you can wait for potential of sell opportunity, because here there is potential for this pattern. Okay, just a minute, let me show you the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern. Okay, so the market it can be moving like that. The market can be moving like that, downtrend, then small, then a small, then weak uptrend. Okay, then here we can say strong downtrend. Okay, so here we can wait for potential of arrow. Okay, that appear here. An arrow that appear after this pattern is very strong arrow. Okay, an arrow that appears after this pattern. It means if you get back to the chart. So if you can see here, if you can see the down arrow at this area, so the pattern is confirmed down trend, market correction, and then you can see strong downtrend. Okay, also the indicator is providing a trend CSM that is helping us to identify the weak and strong accuracy. Okay, for intraday trading, the trend CSM indicate that today the strong currency is Australian dollar. Okay, so here it's recommended to buy always the to own, you see, to own the Australian dollar because it's a strong currency. Okay, If we get back to see, for example, here, the euro also is strong currency today. Okay, let's check euro USD. Okay, this is euro USD. It's on consolidation phase. Okay, so it's not recommended to trade that pair. Okay, it's on consolidation phase here between the euro and the USD. Let's check another one. That is let's check NZGPY. NZGPY. Okay, so it's indicating here that GPY is a weak currency, as you can see now. The GPY is moving up. Okay, the NZ moving up against the GPY. Okay, that's it mean. It's bad. Yeah, that's it means that the New Zealand dollar it's losing momentum against against New Zealand dollar, okay, against GPY. As you can see, there is many reversal dot here that indicate that there is potential of trend reversal, okay, and that's what happened after those reversing, okay. So to summarize, the trend screener basically is used for confirmation of the trend and as a filter for the orders, first of all, and second, it can be used with the dot to find potential entries, okay. So as you can see here, there is a strong downtrend and with many red dots. Those dots can be used for entries. Here also there is an uptrend. Okay, this trend its correction. It's highly recommended to avoid those small trends that come after big movement. Okay, this is big movement. Then we have market correction. Okay, and then the pattern is down. The pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here the market is preparing for a new trend, and as you can see we catch it very nice trend here that generate around a new price increase of 237 pips with many potential entries with the dot. Okay, after that we detected also a second major trend, downtrend, and with many potential entry with the red dot. Okay, always be aware. So when we have those reversal dot, it means the market can reverse anytime. Okay, like this, like the yellow dot here. The yellow dot is appearing after the market moving like 422 pips, and the dot here reverse indicate that the strong downtrend become the strong uptrend become weak uptrend, and a couple of bars later it's moving down. Okay, it means for intraday trading you can use the dot with the arrow for trend confirmation. Okay, use the trend CSM to find the weak and the strong currency, which one we should buy that day and which one we shouldn't buy. And you can use the trend screener of the dashboard here to find the most trendy currency and like that. Okay, and if you have any question, just let me know, please.